Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing recipe to remove wrinkles and fine lines and to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and to fill it naturally without botox. It's super effective and super helpful remedy that really works 100% without any side effects with all natural ingredients. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and add it in a clean mixing bowl like so. Then we need rose water and add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix well all the ingredients. Then leave it for 24 hours to soak in completely and to get the gel from the flax seeds, to get it gel like so. After you leave it for 24 hours, apply it on your skin like so. Apply generous amount on your skin, apply it on your face, on your neck, and massage the skin with it like so. And go to sleep. In the next morning you will notice a great results in the wrinkles and the fine lines, and you will remove any kind of wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Your skin will be baby looking, filled without any kind of fillers, and it's super effective, super helpful method and super easy. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.